new information in tonight about a homicide in Depew. It is now being investigated as a case of domestic violence. 7 Eyewitness News' Febin Casahoon has more.
There was an order of protection that was in place already on the defendant to not go near his wife. And obviously, he allegedly violated as well by murdering her and stabbing her multiple times.
In a press conference Tuesday morning, Erie County District Attorney John Flynn stated 38-year-old Saeed Nasser is facing multiple charges in the death of his ex-wife, 33-year-old Nazifa D. Tahir. The two were separated at the time when authorities say he murdered her Saturday, November 20th.
The defendant / estranged husband came over to the house in Depew. The brother-in-law was upstairs in the home, and he heard a scream. And when he went downstairs, he found the victim lying on the floor with blood coming out of her mouth. He then looked outside and saw the defendant running toward a car.
Flynn says her brother-in-law was unable to get a hold of him at that point and then called police.
A be on the lookout, a BOLO, was issued for the defendant, and about 3 hours later, the Amherst Police Department pulled over the defendant on Transit Road.
I believe that we as a society in Western New York have failed, and that we are indicted by the fact that Nazifa D. Tahir is no longer alive. She ought to be alive, and we ought to have offered her resources and adequate protection.
UB professor and domestic violence expert Dr. Carrie Winter says domestic violence in Western New York is at an overwhelming number, and the same goes for other parts of the world.
More than half of women and girls who are killed are killed by current or previous partners.
She says it's important for the public to be aware of how common these domestic violence cases are.
The most dangerous time for women is actually when they are trying to leave, and in the first year after they have left a partner. The risk of homicide actually goes up. And so we can see that in this case.
In Buffalo, Febin Casahoon, 7 Eyewitness News.
Within the past 19 months, the Family Justice Center in Buffalo says domestic violence calls are up by 74%. Now, if you or someone you know is the victim of domestic abuse, there is help available. The 24-hour domestic violence hotline, that number is 716-884-6000. Again, that number on your screen, 716-884-6000.